Hello guys, today I am going to make a video about learning Urdu in English. So the first sentence we are going to put is what is your name? So the in Urdu it is आपका क्या नाम है? आपका नाम क्या है? It could be like आपका क्या नाम है और आपका नाम क्या है? Both are correct. So you can pronounce
What is your name?
आपका नाम क्या है?
आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? The next question is where do you live? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? तुम कहाँ रहते हो?
Where do you live?
तुम कहाँ रहते हो?
तुम कहाँ रहते हो? So this is the second sentence. We are going to do 10 sentences today here. What do you want from me? तुम मुझसे क्या चाहते हो? Now pronounce it.
What do you want from me?
तुम मुझसे क्या चाहते हो?
तुम मुझसे क्या चाहते हो? Another question. Where is your home? आपका घर कहाँ है?
Where is your home?
आपका घर कहाँ है?
आपका घर कहाँ है? आपका घर कहाँ है? Where is your home? आप mean you. Ka is the word which is not used in English. So which is used for the reference between that. आपका घर mean home. कहाँ where है is used for is. So that is like that. And the next would be I am going मैं जा रहा हूँ. So there is a difference here. I am going. If a female is saying that I am going, then she will say that मैं जा रही हूँ. There will be a difference here. रही, it is रहा, but there will be रही like this here.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I am going.
I am going. Don't leave. छोड़ नहीं. Well, this is different meaning. You can use it as well. छोड़ नहीं और छोड़ो नहीं, but don't leave mean don't go mean मत जाओ. Don't leave मत छोड़ो. Yeah, that is don't go मत जाओ. मत जाना और मत जाओ. That is used for don't go मत जाओ. Don't leave मत छोड़ो ना जाओ. छोड़ो नहीं, all these words can be used. छोड़ नहीं. So this is done. Next sentence would be how are you? आप कैसे हो? The pronoun is
How are you?
how are you?
आप कैसे हो?
आप कैसे हो? Next is come to me. That means मेरे पास आओ.
Come to me.
मेरे पास हो.
मेरे पास आओ. Oh, there is a little bit of pronunciation, not good pronunciation on the Google Translator. So we the speaker can speak somewhat more better than them. So मेरे पास
मेरे
आओ.
पास हो.
मेरे पास आओ.
Come to me.
Come to me. Go there. वहाँ जाओ.
Go there.
वहाँ जाओ.
Go there. वहाँ जाओ.
वहाँ जाओ.
So today these are some sentences which I did here today. So everybody can use the Google Translator, but even can pronounce it as well. But I am going. I just it was just introduction. and I will talk about the grammar and other stuff as well within this. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe and like the video.